Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2015 Buick Enclave in a premium trim and powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine, providing you with excellent power with all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you, revealing your cargo area and third row seating area, because you do have seating for 7 in total in this vehicle, with a nice full leather interior. Back row gets their own cup holders and everything, and you have a 12-volt power outlet right there. Underneath this cover you have just storage room pretty much, and this closes again with another simple press of a button. Then looking into the second row, we have seating for 2 comfortably with your rear media and climate controls, as well as a 12-volt and 2 USBs here. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have 2 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, and you do also have a premium Bose sound system. Now, sitting in the vehicle with you running, you can see it's sitting at 148,121 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your heated steering wheel, so you can keep your fingers warm. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, as well as auxiliary SIDI and Bluetooth, I believe, so you do have quite a few options there. You also have a navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. And shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have your little analog clock, as well as a storage compartment. And moving down, you have controls such as your hazards, your lane keeping system, pre-collision assist, and here you can cycle through your trip information at your little center screen. All the stats there, trip A and B, range, fuel economy, stuff like that. Moving on though, you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate, and moving down further, you do have heated and air conditioned front seats, your rear wiper, traction control shut off, tow haul mode, and your power lift gate button. Also have a USB and 12 volts, so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. 2 cup holders and your center armrest here, which can be opened for some storage, but then it can also be slid out of the way to access this storage area, with a tray that you can pull out to access a much deeper compartment with another 12 volt inside, so you can plug something in from there too. And then, last but not least, you do have a power moonroof up top, so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111, and have a nice day.